Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're up north once again. The river is running, but it's pretty low. Maybe we'll go take a look at it here in a little bit. We're also going to go give the apple trees some water, check on the food plot that we put down, see how that's doing. You know, the grass is kind of growing in spots, but I don't think I'm going to mow it this time. It's still pretty crunchy under my feet, so I don't want to ride the lawnmower on it at this point. Maybe next weekend I'll have to do the grass. It's crunchy grass under my feet. So let's go check out the apple trees and see how those food plots are doing. I'm guessing they're not doing that great either, since we haven't had a whole lot of water. So let's get to it. It's hot and dry out here. Let's let this fill up and let's go walk down to the river and see how it looks. So here is the river right across from the house. Grass here is about almost waist high, but just the tops of it. Gonna have to brush hog this all down here later on. I'm probably gonna wait another couple of weeks till I cut this down, so I only have to do it once. You can see maybe deer have been bedding in here, looks like maybe. I see a trail here too. Going to see if we can get to the river here, see what it looks like. Kind of hard to see, but there's a view of it. Look how low that river is. We'll go check it out at the boat landing too and see what it looks like. You can see all these rocks in here that you normally don't see. I mean, I could literally walk across the river here almost. I can see the bottom almost all the way across. We really could use some rain. I can see a little bit of clover starting to come up in it. Different spots. Kind of all out there. You can see some there. It's been so dry that it hasn't got any water. You can see over here where the shade's coming in better, so it hasn't dried out as much. All that clover's coming in. Looks like this bucket hasn't been draining. You can tell the apple tree's looking pretty dry. We're going to dump this bucket out. How come my buckets aren't draining? I may have to drill some more holes in them. Fill these buckets back up and see if they start letting some water out. May have to add some more holes to the buckets. You can see the water coming out of it there. So that seems to be working. Maybe it was just clogged up. That bucket's full. I don't see anything running out of that bucket, so I'm gonna go get the drill and drill another couple of holes in it so it leaks out better. So I'm over in the basswood. I'm kind of spray these buckets out a little bit, get some of the dirt out of them. Make sure they're not clogging up the holes. The other buckets over in at the Heart Pond hadn't been draining out really well, so that one doesn't look as bad as the one at the Heart Pond looked. And this one looks pretty good too. This one, the bucket looks like it's draining pretty well. I am going to drill some extra holes in the buckets though. Alright, water's going back in that one. This tree's looking the best out of all of them, I think. Alright, on the way back from the apple trees, we had this unfortunate event. We got a flat tire. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off and take that back with me. Those 4 bolts off of there, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, we will take that back with us and we'll see if we can find the hole in it and get it fixed. Hope it's not in the sidewall. I don't see anything in the sidewall. So I can see clover all in here starting to come in, but there's no rain. Without any rain, it's not going to help. I could use the Heart Pond as a water source. Maybe, if it's not too low. But boy, it's looking really low too. So I don't even think a semi-trash pump is a good idea to pull water out of that, because I'm going to just end up draining that out. I need to get rid of these trees right here. And that one tree down there, I think. Well, I think that's it for today, guys. I want to thank everybody for watching. Please hit that like button. Give me some comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'd love to have you. We'll see you guys next time.